Hey guys, here's a lightning fast sample on how to complete your blast. So log into StudySync using the link provided in the Canvas assignment, and you'll find this blast, what's going on with coronavirus, there in your StudySync. So when you click on it, yours won't look like this. Yours is going to look more like this. So what you'll do is first read the blast. Read the blast. If you have oral administration accommodations, don't forget to use the Read Aloud Chrome extension. And you know what? I'll post something in Canvas for that. But you can use Read Aloud to have it read to you because the blasts don't have audio. So read the blast. Then over here on the left, you will create a blast. It's like a tweet, 140 characters answering this question. Which factors can contribute to the spread of viruses? Answer the poll. How do news reports about the coronavirus outbreak primarily make you feel? There's no right or wrong answer on that. It's how you feel, and there's nothing wrong with the way you feel. And make sure you click submit. And then here, for number crunch, you'll click on the arrow to find out what that 20 means. Okay? If you have questions, feel free to ask. I will be online all day, every day, and then I'll do conferences from 1 to 2 every afternoon, except for Tuesdays, so that you can ask me questions there too. Love you guys. I miss you. Take care.